Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. We're back in the music lab. We're back in the building with another video. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, people, you already see what time it is. Yeah, we're back in the music lab, and today we are back with a back artist, No Stranger Channel. I'm talking about Squash. He dropped a song a few days ago called How We Chop. You know what I'm saying? Apparently it's featuring Sean Kingston, and we're gonna check it out and see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? But before we jump right in track, guys, you already know what time it is. Your boy hungry and I'm trying to eat. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and give your boy a sub real quick. You don't know. Yeah, man. You already know what time it is. Yeah, your boy Squash is back with another one. Hopefully it's a banger. It's called How We Chop, featuring Sean Kingston. Sean Kingston, we haven't heard music from him in a while. But you know what I'm saying? Sean Kingston make great music, hit music. You know, one song, Beautiful Girl, and others. But yeah, man, that's dope. You know what I'm saying? Squash and Sean Kingston. We're gonna see what time it is, see what's going on, see if it's a hit. You know, we're gonna jump right in the track. This is Squash, How We Chop, featuring Sean Kingston. Let's get it, people. Also, we're trying to hit. Come on, let me get 100 likes on the track. You on the latest, most dopest reaction channel, the podcast. Yo, we got lots of stuff, contents coming. Go on, hit the subs. You know what I'm saying? Hit the sub button, hit the like button. Let's get this video 100 likes minimum. Let's get it, guys. Jump right in the track. This is Squash, How We Chop, featuring Sean Kingston. Let's get it. Wait. I wasn't expecting that. Nah, I didn't expect that. What? He made Sean Kingston started off? Dog. When I heard the beat, I could have sworn Squash would have started off, guys. You know what I'm saying? But Sean Kingston, I say Sean Kingston talk about choppings? Yo, let's see it. Yo, this. Alright, I'm interested, guys. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Drop your comments. Let's get it. Oh shit, hit that like button. Alright. Woohoo! I can show you how we chop. Woohoo! Wait, see what I got to show you how we chop. Cool. Show them. Come on. Yeah. Lift telescope, bust it throat, fully cold, fully ball. Money enough, me winning out. Ooh, telescope, bust it throat, fully cold. Enemies me killing out, copy me and billing out. Some little boy them silly. Yo, what are things on video? Yeah, man, mama. Hey, stripper that still, but still. Can't style the boss, we been a lucky place. Lift up every rifle and the check my tick, we shot your face. Bossy anything and watch me speak for blaze. Bossy anything and watch me speak for blaze. Behave for yourself, girl. Nice. Matic pa me belly, me go anywhere the killer brave. Dog them a dial every day. Like the black we not straight. Bust down, come me chain. Portmore, we not lame, coulda flame. Like the black we not straight. Bust down every day. Come on, man. We a chop, we not cap. Me back, bust down, carry air. Y'all give me pussy, I'm never. We a chop, we not cap. Me back, carry here. Come in, man. Come in. Y'all a deep throat, me cocky, me not gonna brata. Self-made millionaire, never beg a offer. A fully 6, but we say Gaza. Hey. Self-made millionaire, me never beg a offer. 6 we say, hey. Fully 6 we say, but we say Gaza. Come in. Easy now. Show them. Yeah. Come in. Hey. Chop. Come in. Come in, man. Yeah, people, only thing about that one. This is Sean Kingston and Squash. Let's get it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Man. Yeah, man. That was a, yeah, man, people. Remember what y'all think about? That was an unexpected collab. You know what I'm saying? I was not expecting that one. You know what I'm saying? That was an unexpected collab between Squash and Sans Kingston. But still a good look. A really dope track. Sean Kingston and Squash both just make hits. You know what I'm saying? So it was a good collab. Good track. Yeah, man, and it's all good. It's good for dancehall. You know what I'm saying? It's good for dancehall music. You see me collaboration. We need more collaborations. You know what I'm saying? With a dancehall artist, a yard or a broad, or you know what I'm saying, from different genres. We need that. It's good for the music, the expansion of the music, and all to make overall. You know what I'm saying, and the culture. But yeah, man, dope track. Squash, Sean Kingston, real dope hit. I like it. I like it. You know what I'm saying? I can definitely see myself playing this, but you know what I'm saying? Yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comment section. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Let me know that Jambisco dancing. Let me know the Jambisco army is strong over here. You don't know people. And then leave a comment section. Leave comments in the comment section. Let me know what y'all thinking. Let me know what y'all react to next, and I'll get it done. Till next time, guys. It's your boy Jambisco out here. And I hit it and smash it a banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.